started on today. Good morning, everybody. First things first, I actually have two videos sent from Taylor and Pasta for the weekend's homework. So let's take a look at them today. Everyone, make sure that you're listening carefully. I might ask questions again, okay?
Hi, my name is Taylor. Today I will talk about natural resource, and here's something like milk, like paper, or chairs. Do you know what these things are made of? Of the cow.
Taylor, thank you for first telling us what a good is. Whenever you're doing a presentation, it's always good to start with a definition, like what is a good in an example, what is a natural resource in an example. That way, whoever watches it has an easier time listening and understanding. Great idea, Taylor.
Milk. Milk is made from the cow. Milk is milk. The cow has milk. And the paper is made of trees. And the chairs we sit is made from goods. We use that things every day. We use milk to drink, to be healthy. And we use paper to clean the toilet. And cheese for making hamburger, bread, and many things. And so we must save natural resource. Because natural resource, so animals will die, trees will die too. So we will not have milk, paper, cheese, or chairs. We will not have chairs to sit, paper to clean, will be very dirty, milk to drink.
All right, very good. We're gonna stop there for time reasons, but that was excellent. Very nice job, Taylor. Let's see. Cherry, what did you like about Taylor's video?
I learned.
What did you learn? What natural resource did you talk about?
The beef.
Good, yes, the cows. And what do they make?
The cow make milk.
Very good. Milk, and you're right, beef to eat. Thank you, Cherry. All right, excellent job, Taylor. Good job looking at the camera, speaking loudly. Let's take a look now at Pasta's video.
Hello, everyone. My name is Pasta, and today I'll tell you about a natural resource. There are many kinds of natural resources. For example, air, water, sunlight, soil. And today I will tell you about air. Air is all around us, and we cannot see it with our eyes. Air is important for all the living things. If we don't have air, we will be sick. No, we cannot breathe, and the plants would be dead.
So those are very good reasons why we need air. Banana, what did Pasta say about why we need air? Why do we need air, Banana?
We need air to breathe.
Very good. And what about the plants?
I don't know.
Do plants need air, Banana?
Yes.
Yes, exactly. We need air, plants need air, animals.
If we use cars and factories and motorcycles too much, the air will be so polluted that if we breathe it, we will sick.
Excellent. So pollution from all of those things, factories, cars, burning trash. It makes us sick, and the animals can get sick, the plants can get sick. Excellent job, Pasta. Thank you so much for sharing. All right, and with that, let's go into today's lesson. Lesson 1, Earth's resources. So far, we've learned about plants, animals. What are the 2 more? Well, 3 more. Plants, animals, what else? A blue moon?
Rocks.
Rocks, very good. And there's 2 more. How about funny? How about tiger? We have plants, animals, rocks. What are the other 2 natural resources we learned? Water and what did Pasta just talk about in his video? Air. Very good. Excellent work, Tiger. Water and air are clean energy also, so we can use them instead of coal or oil in our factories and for our electricity and power energy. Very good. So today we're going to continue about rocks. Before we go over your homework, before you all share your rocks, let's just do a quick review since we said it really quickly yesterday at the end of class. So, how about Ben 10, could you read this for me?
Yes. Rocks are natural resources. A rock is a hard, non-living object from the ground. We use rocks to build things.
Very good. Ben, are rocks living or non-living?
It is a non-living.
Excellent, non-living. And Susu, are they hard or soft?
Hard.
Hard. And what do we use rocks for, Susu?
To make things.
To build things. Excellent job. Good job, Susu and Ben 10. So here's that same picture from yesterday. Dragon, can you read the tan and brown text box?
Rocks come from the ground. There you see rock in
This picture.
this picture.
Very nice. And can you say rocks?
Rocks.
Very good. It's hard to get the S on that word. Nice job, Dragon. And where do you see rocks in this picture, Dragon?
The little hat color yellow.
Yeah, good. Some of them are tan or yellow. Excellent. And let's see. Ray, where do you see rocks? Where are the rocks in this picture, Ray?
Under the soil.
Under the soil, good, and on the soil. Excellent work, guys. So we have rocks, like Ray said, on the soil, under the soil. Rocks make up all of the earth that we stand on. Underneath the soil, we have rocks. So we can dig for them and use them. For example, Rosie, can you read what this says?
House made from rock.
Excellent. And what do you see in this picture, Rosie?
I see a house made from a rock.
Yeah, what color are the rocks?
Gray.
Good. Black, gray, brown. Excellent. Does this house look, or milk, does this house look strong? Does it look?
Maybe the rock is strong and the big bad wolf cannot close the house.
Exactly. That's a great memory. You're right. Strong, just like in the story, The Big Bad Wolf. Can you read this question for me, Milk?
Build a house made from rocks.
Sorry, can you read this question at the top in the tan box?
Building
Can you see the top or is it cut off?
Building middle.
Okay, so I see. Sorry, Milk, you can't see the very top of the question. It must be out of your screen. It says, why do you think rocks make a good building material? Milk, what do you think?
I don't know.
Why do you think rocks are good for building?
Because it's very hard.
Very good, because they're hard. Hi, Nam, what do you think? Why do you think rocks make good building material? Do you think they break easily? Are they strong?
They're strong.
They're strong. What about looks? Do you think it looks pretty? Do you think it looks ugly? Pretty, very good. So maybe they're good to build with because they're pretty, they're strong. Like Milk said, they're hard. I need everyone to please have their cameras turned on. Thank you. Okay. So, how can people use rocks? Does anyone know how they're using rocks in this video on the right? Puppy, how are they using rocks over here? What does it look like? They're laying rocks down on some cement to stick them to
A road.
Yeah, to make a road or to make a floor, maybe a sidewalk. You're right, Puppy. They're sticking rocks to the ground because they're pretty, they're strong. So how else can people use rocks? Puppy said to make a road, right? We can use them we use rocks to help make roads or a path. How else can we use rocks? Sophia, what do you think? Also, Sophia, please keep your camera on. Are you there, Sophia? All right, Sam, what do you think, Sam?
I think to make fire.
Yeah, you're right. We do use rocks to make fire. We use a flint stone. Nice, Sam. How else can we use rocks? How about Moon? Moon, what do you think? All right, how about Zook? Zook, what do you think we can use rocks for?
We use rock for.
What did we use them for in the last picture?
I don't see any last picture.
The one where it said to build a
house.
house, yeah, to build a house. Puppy said in the chat to me to make toys. We can use rocks to make toys, chess sets, all of that. Let's see. How about Funny? What do you think, Funny?
To play.
Yeah, to play with. We can skip rocks. We can do art and crafts with rocks. We can paint them, right? We can decorate with them, make our house look pretty. We can use them in our gardens. We can put them in parks. Maybe we can build a bench with them. Zook, did you have another idea? I saw you raise your hand.
No, I didn't. I just feel like this.
Okay, no problem. All right, guys, that's a great start. So now that we've taken a look at that, we're going to watch some videos about rocks really quickly. All right. Everyone listen closely. I'll be asking questions.
A rock is a hard, non-living object from the ground. We use rocks to build things.
Before we talk about rocks, let's go over some words we can use to talk about them.
Are pretty much the same. Actually, they can be very different.
All right, so are rocks all the same as each other? Sino, are rocks all the same as each other?
No, they are different because they are shape different
Very good.
and color different.
Very nice. Their shape is different. Their color's different. Maybe they feel different.
Take a look at the rocks shown here. Some rocks are rough, while others are smooth.
Rough. Rough is like when things are bumpy. Maybe you scratch yourself on them. Rough. Smooth is soft, like your skin is smooth, right? Glass is smooth. This would be rough. Ouch, these rocks are rough. This skin is smooth.
Rocks are different colors and sizes. Some are shiny, while others are dull. Some rocks are big, and some are small.
Shiny is like sparkly or glistening, right? Maybe you can see the sunlight on it, it's shiny. All right, so let's see, which one of these rocks looks rough? Tom, which one looks rough? I'll put numbers on them to make this easier.
I think number 2.
Well, also look at the other one. So actually pick any one you want, Tom. What do you
Number
want?
2 and number 4.
Yeah, 2 and 4 are rough. Could number 2 also be smooth, shiny, or small?
I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. So let's put rough is either number 2 or 4. I agree. 2 and 4 are both rough. Good job, Tom. So let's start with smooth. Which rock looks really smooth? Sophia?
3.
3. All right, let's see. Very good. Number 3 is smooth, like skin. All right. Which rocks are small? Moon, which rocks are small?
Number 1.
Number 1. Very good, Moon. So if number 1 is small, that leaves rough and shiny. So one of these has to be rough and one of them has to be shiny. How about dragon?
Yeah.
So we had small and smooth. So which one of these rocks do you think is rough? And which one do you think is shiny?
The number 2 is shiny.
You think this one's shiny, maybe sparkly, glistening, bright? Or do you think it's rough? Which one looks more shiny, number 2 or number 4?
No, 4.
You think number 4 looks more shiny? More bright and sparkly? Let's give it a try. Yay, very good job, Dragon. So this one, number 2 with all the holes, this one is rough.
Rough rocks don't have flat surfaces like smooth rocks. Shiny rocks have a shiny surface.
All right, so rough rocks don't have a flat surface like the smooth one. It has bumps in it. Okay, now that we've taken a look at that, what are some words we can use to describe rocks, to talk about them? What are some words that we can use to talk about them? Tiger, what are some words we can use to talk about rocks? Smooth, very good. All right, another one, how about from Rosie?
Rough.
Rough, very good. Smooth, rough. Milk.
What?
What are some more words we can use to describe rocks, to talk about them?
Small.
Small, very good. We have small, strong. Now let's see, Susu. Susu, what are some more? What's the opposite of small? If it's not small, it's
Big.
Big, very good. Big or large. And what if it's not strong? What if the rock is really thin and it breaks easily? So it's not strong, it would be good, weak. So we have smooth, rough, small, strong, weak, big or large. Puppy, any other ones?
What?
Do you have any more to add, Puppy?
It's beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. Maybe some rocks look ugly. We could talk about color, shape, shiny, dull.
No.
Very good. All right. All right. Zook, can you read the black writing for me?
We can use touch and sight to upload rock and describe them.
Very good. So touch with our hands. Sight, we use our eyes to observe them, to look at them, and describe them. What do they look like? What do they feel like? So let's take a look at your homework now. Where did you find your rock? What color is it? What shape is it? What does it feel like? Is it rough? Is it smooth? And what could you use this kind of rock for? All right, first we have some writing and videos to look at from some students that did a little extra. So here's Banana's video about his rock.
Action. Help body, mom. I'm sick. So I will learn about rock. This rock color is black. And I found in the bathroom. It's like the egg. And I found in the bathroom.
So Banana, if you said it's like an egg, what does that mean? How could you describe your rock? Is it the shape or how it feels? So you said your rock is like an egg. How is it like an egg? What shape is it, or is it the way that it feels?
It's circle and it's so smooth.
Excellent, it's a circle and it's smooth. Those are great description words, Banana. Great work.
Room of my mommy. And we have some black and so many black. And it has some circle here, like an egg. And it can make we clean when we do like this. And when we don't use more, we put on somewhere. And this rock is circle, but when we use this one, we have a clean body.
So we use this rock to clean ourselves. Very cool.
The rock is almost broken here. See? The rock is big.
Very good. It's big. Another descriptive word. You talked about color, shape, size. Is it smooth? Very good job, Banana. Thank you for sharing about your rock. Let's take a look now at Taylor's video.
Hello everyone, my name is Taylor. Do you know what I'm holding? A rock! And do you know where I find it? I found it near my home in the park where I live. Yeah? It is a little bit circle. Not really a circle. It is green here, you see? Green, a little bit green. White and brown, yeah. I don't know what to use this for.
Now that we've learned a couple of more words, Taylor, what other words? Now that we've learned some more words, what else could you say about the rock? Is it smooth or rough? Is it shiny or dull?
It's a little bit smooth.
It's
very hard.
Very good. Smooth, very hard. And is it shiny, like kind of sparkly? Or is it?
No.
Can you say dull?
Dull.
Good. So everyone, we have shiny when there's sparkles. And then we have dull when there's not sparkles. Like this rock is dull. All right. Very good job, Taylor.
White and can put rocks in a fish tank. It will be more beautiful. Or we can put it in our plants. Very beautiful. It will make things beautiful. Or we can play with it. Like
Excellent. So making things for decorating or for playing. Very good ways to use your rock, Taylor. All right, so I got a couple of other things. Here is Zook. Zook, could you show us your rock and then tell us about it?
It's meaning the it feels like a seed, but I forgot to dry it.
It felt, oh, how it felt like. It felt like a seed?
Yes.
Very cool. Can you show us your rock? Do you have it with you?
Yes.
Oh, it's so pretty. It's so small and cute. All right, so everyone can see his rock. Can you hold it up one more time? Very nice. Can you tell us the color, where you found it, all of that?
I found it in the plant pot.
Okay, and what color is it?
It color white.
And you said it feels like a seed?
Yes.
Is it kind of rough or is it smooth?
Rough.
Rough. And is it dull or is it shiny?
Dull.
Dull. Very nice. Excellent work. Thank you, Zook, for sharing. Okay, so now let's take a look. Here's Funny writing about her rock. Funny, could you show us your rock and tell us about it?
My rock is shiny.
Can you hold it up for us? Oh, it is shiny. Very pretty. Can you tell us more about it?
It feels hard.
Excellent. It's hard. What else?
I found it in my flower pot.
Very good. And I see you said you can use it for decoration. Can you think of anything else you could use it for? Any other ideas?
No.
That's okay. That's very good. Excellent job, Funny. And let's see, is George in class yet? Yes, he is. Hello, George.
Hello.
Hi. So here's yours. Oh, and you even have pictures. Very cool. All right, so let me zoom in a little bit. Wow. So tell us about this rock, George.
This
Can you tell us where you found it, what it feels like, its color?
I found in a big tree
Very cool.
and I don't know what it feels like. I feel rough.
Do you think it's rough or smooth?
No, rough.
Rough. Very cool. And what color was it? I think
Black.
Brown. Very good. Okay, very nice, George. Thank you for sharing. All right, let's see now. Now that we've finished that, everybody hold up your rock in your video if you brought one. I see Blue Moon's rock, Sino's rock. All right, when I call on you, tell me one thing about your rock. It could be color, it could be how it feels, its shape, its size, shiny, smooth, rough. One thing, and one thing you can use it for. Okay, so let's start with Puppy.
In my rock.
Tell us one thing about it and one thing you can use it for.
This is my dad make for me.
He made it for you. Wow, what color is it?
It is blue and red.
Excellent. And what do you use it for, Puppy?
I use it for play.
Excellent job. Thank you for sharing. All right, hold up your rocks again. Who else has one? Sino, go ahead and tell us about your rock.
My rock is white.
White. And is it smooth or rough?
Rough.
Rough. And what could you use it for?
Used for playing.
To play. All right. Very nice. Hold up your rocks. Who wants to go next? Milk?
What?
Oh, Milk, I have your video, okay? We'll watch it. Well, actually, Milk, can we watch your video at the beginning of tomorrow's class?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right, Blue Moon, let's see yours.
Rock. Yellow and brown.
Very cool. Oh, and it's pretty big, a little flat, maybe. What would you use that rock for?
Draw.
Drawing. Whoa, that's cool.
I found it in the beach.
Oh, wow. Found it on the beach? That's awesome. All right, let's take a look at another rock. Hold up your rocks, everybody. Who else has a rock? Let's see. Nam. Go ahead, Nam.
My rock color is white.
Very good. And what can you use it for?
To make a toy.
Excellent. To make a toy. Do you have it with you so we can see it? Very nice. Wow, thank you. Okay. All right, raise your hand still if you have a rock so I can see you. Who else has a rock to share? Ben 10?
Yes, but I got a different rock. It's made from China.
Oh, from China. Can we see it? Do you have it with you?
Yes, but it's shaped like a shark.
Oh, that's fun.
Here, I can see a word. It's inside from.
Excellent. So what is that rock used for, Ben?
You for learning and playing.
For playing. That's amazing. Very cool toy. All right, Cherry, do you have a rock? Do you have a rock, Cherry?
Yes.
Can we see it? And say one thing about it.
My rock is white.
It's white. And what does it feel like?
It feels soft.
Soft. Very cool. Okay. And how about George? How about Moon? Moon, do you have a rock?
Yes.
Can we see?
Yeah.
Wow. Can you tell us something about your rock?
My rock is white.
And is it big or small?
It's a bit small.
A bit small. Wow. And what would you use that rock for, Moon?
To decorate it.
Excellent. To decorate. Very nice. All right, Pasta, your turn. Can we see your rock?
I forgot.
Oh, you forgot. That's okay. How about Ray, Sam, Sophia, and Tom? Ray, let's see. Do you have a rock?
Yes.
Can you tell us about it?
It is a bit smooth.
Smooth. Very cool. Can you hold it up again? What do you use it for?
To make fire.
Very nice. To make fire. All right. So maybe it helps make fire. I'm not sure what a flintstone looks like, but that could be it. All right, Sophia. Tell us something about your rock, Sophia.
My rock is smooth.
Oh, and what does it feel like? Is it rough or smooth?
Smooth.
Very good. Excellent job. Thank you, Sophia. All right, now let's hear from, let's see, how about Susu? Can you tell us about your rock, Susu? Wow, that's big. Is it rough or smooth?
It's rough.
And what color is it?
Brown.
And what do you think you would use it for?
To clean.
To clean. Very good. Maybe
volcano.
from a volcano. It's a basalt rock. Very nice, Susu. Wow. You already know a lot about rocks. That rock is from a volcano. People scrub their skin with it or clean. It's called a pumice rock or pumice rock. Very nice, Susu. Okay, and let's have, last ones will be Sam and Tom. Sam, can we see your rock?
Here I got 2 rocks.
Can you tell us about them?
One is gray and one is circle.
Excellent.
And it is white.
Very nice.
This gray one here is a bit roughy, a bit.
A bit rougher. Very good, Sam. Thank you for sharing. And how about Tom? Tom, do you have a rock?
Yes.
All right. Can you please share with us? Wow.
rock is big. I found it in my house.
All right. And is it smooth or rough?
It's smooth.
And shiny or dull?
What?
Is it shiny or dull?
Shiny.
Shiny. Very good. I'm glad we got to see a shiny rock. Nice job, Tom. All right. I know some other people have rocks, but we don't have time for everyone's. But next week, we'll also be learning about rocks. So don't worry. We'll all have more turns to share. Milk will see part of your video tomorrow. All right, so do you think some rocks are more important than other ones? Pasta, do you think some rocks are more important than other ones?
Yes.
Yes, how so? What do you see in these pictures? Why are some more important than others, Pasta?
Because some rocks can build. Some rocks just to do nothing.
Excellent. Some are just for looks. Some we can build with. George, how are the rocks being used in this picture? What are the rocks being used for, George?
Rocks being used for...
Here's a marble rock. A marble rock is being used as what?
As a table.
Table. And what about in this picture?
As a wall.
And what about this one? This is the pumice rock that we saw from Susu.
Pumice rock.
What did Susu say it's used for?
To clean.
Yeah, to clean. So Pasta's right. Some might be more important than others. These ones down here are just for decoration. That's why it's important that we can figure out how hard they are so we know if they're good for building. If they're smooth, we can use them for our table. If it's rough, we can use it to clean. So it's important that we can figure this stuff out. All right, so here is your homework. Your homework is going to be this worksheet that is coloring. Read and color. Let's do number 1 together. The directions say, write the resources on the lines, then color the picture. So what is the natural resource for number 1? Nam, could you read number 1 and tell us the natural resource it's talking about?
What?
Can you read number 1?
What food come from a plant color it red?
Very good. And down here, what fruit comes from a plant and is red?
Apple.
Apple. So the natural resource for number 1 is an apple. So you write apple and you color the apples red. Okay, so you'll get this homework in an email. Have fun coloring. And I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.